Lord, I do confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 2, and further, my Lord, on Friday, Advocate Mnisi requested me to stand in on his behalf in respect of Mr. Ngube and Mr. Sibia.
Comrades Marathon runner advocate Charles Mnisi a no-show despite not being granted permission to miss court. But the judge snubbed this, instead opting to double down on his racially charged remarks that called out black lawyers' conduct following a request by Mnisi to miss court on Monday because he would be traveling back from participating in the 90-kilometer run.
And I wish now to tender my sincerest apologies. It's contra my nature to do that. I have a son, he just died recently, who's an advocate. He's older than you, Ms. Mshololo. He was born in 1968. He died because of lymphatic cancer. I think he would have also have been disappointed at my conduct. That's why I say I heartily and unreservedly, with no qualification, apologize to my colleagues here, to the accused. They say I mustn't call you the accused. They are correct. The gentleman in front of me.
This is not the first time that Mokgoatlheng has had to apologize over race-based comments. In March last year, the presiding officer made similar remarks about black lawyers after the late Thulani Mngomezulu, who was one of the defense lawyers in the matter, failed to show up in court or report his absence. This time around, the comments sparked widespread rebuke, with some viewing them as racist. Mokgoatlheng gave a brief history of his anti-apartheid past in the apology before giving the accused an option to have him removed.
I wish to apologize for being a racist. I'll try and mend my ways, but I can tell you, it's not a conscious thing about me to be a racist. So I apologize. And the gentleman in front of me, if you believe that I, as a judge, I'm so useless, dumb, baluka, moho, etc., and you think you can't get a fair trial from me, please tell me. I'll recuse myself. Don't want to impose myself on people who doubt my integrity, honor, and dignity.
After offering his apology, Mokgoatlheng pointed to the lawyer of accused number 5, Advocate Mshololo's failure to meet him in chambers and offer an explanation as to why she could not come to court for nearly 2 weeks.
I thought you would come and see me in my chambers for the indulgence I gave you, but I saw you come in on Friday and you just sat. And because this judge is old-fashioned, I just got baffled. That's all I'm saying. Okay.
Proceedings were inevitably stalled after the state concluded its application to recall 2 of its witnesses who will testify about the newly recovered photographic evidence against the 2 alleged intruders of the Khumalo home, Bongani Ndanzi and Mthobisi Ngube, and their alleged lookout man, Musi Sibia. The evidence implicates both Mnisi's clients, and they want to give him further instructions on this aspect. But he was not in court to respond to the application nor obtain further instructions because he was making his way back from conquering the ultimate human race. Ramusipili, who represents Ndanzi, will also use this opportunity to draft and file a response to this application, which will be potentially heard when the matter resumes on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ratha Mokgoatlheng at the High Court in Pretoria.